Now we are studying. This is class 4th A. Class 4th A. This is class 4th A. Subject JC, date 6/11/2020. So we are studying the lesson. Lesson 10, Our Clothes. Lesson 10 Our Clothes. Revision. And in this lesson, reading over. So worksheet 10. Worksheet 10, and in worksheet 10 we are seeing give reason E. Give reasons. So first question is, cotton clothes are preferred in summer. Cotton clothes are preferred in summer. Why? Because cotton clothes do not absorb heat. So we prefer to use the, and on the other hand, it absorbs the heat also. So in this way, we prefer cotton clothes during this summer season. Cotton clothes keep the body cool by allowing free flow of the air. So once again we listen. Cotton clothes are preferred in summer. Why? Cotton clothes are preferred in summer because cotton clothes do not absorb the heat of the sun and they keep the body cool by allowing free flow of air. And now next, woolen clothes keep us warm. Woolen clothes keep us warm. What answer? So you have to write, woolen clothes has hair and so air can stay between them. This air acts in two ways. First, it does not let the heat of the body go out, and at the same time, it does not let the outer cold get in. Or in one word, that wool has hair and so air can stay between them. Since air is a bad conductor of the heat, so it does not allow the loss of the heat from out the body. Now next question we can see, silk clothes need special care. Silk clothes need special care. Why? Because they are destroyed very easily by the insects, and on the other hand, they are also get spoiled by wet washing, so they must be dry clean. Now next, colored clothes must be dried in set, because in set they may lose the colors and luster. Now next question we can see, why do we wear clothes? Give three reasons. Why do we wear clothes? Give three reasons. The next F, we have to see the F. Answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following. So first, why we wear clothes? Give 3 reasons. What happens if we not wear the clothes? So clothes protect us from the dust, dirt, sun and cold. They also protect us from insect bites. So one thing is there, clothes protect us from the dust, dirt, sun and cold. And on the other hand, the clothes protect us from insect bites. And another very important thing, clothes make us smart. Clothes make us smart. So these are the reasons why we need to wear the clothes. Now next, differentiate between natural and synthetic fibers with suitable examples. Differentiate between natural and the artificial, natural and synthetic fibers. The fibers obtained by natural sources are called as the natural fibers. What are natural sources? Animals and plants are natural sources which provide us the clothes. As we know, many fibers, cotton, silk, wool, these are obtained from the animals. And on the other hand, synthetic fibers are formed by the chemicals. They are synthesized by the human beings. Yet they are more attractive and more durable. But these clothes are less comfortable. They can easily catch fire, or they easily catch fire. So such clothes may not be used in the kitchens. Now next, how are synthetic fibers useful? How are synthetic fibers useful? So synthetic fibers are more durable and attractive and also long lasting. Now next, why is it necessary to take care of the clothes? It is necessary to take care of the clothes because clothes are the necessary part of our life. Clothes are the necessary part of our life, as they protect us from the sun, dirt, cold, insect bite, etc. And they also make us smart. So it is necessary to protect to take care of the clothes. So how can we keep our woolen and the silk clothes from how can we keep our woolen and the silk clothes free from insects and longer lasting? So we can keep naphthalene tablets or naphthalene balls or dried leaves in between the clothes to keep away insects from the clothes. And on the other hand, the clothes must be dry clean, because wet washing may destroy them. So now, so that's for today. Next day we will start to study next. Thank you. That's all.